Hey bestsellers, it's Kitty Turner with Daily House Publishing, and welcome to the bestseller list. So I'm back from holiday break. I took a couple of weeks off from video, and I'm rejoining you with a new style. Today I thought I would do a super casual, informal video for you and recap 2018 and what it took to start a publishing company over the last year. Typically, my videos are educational, they are highly structured, and they are step-by-step how to do videos for things in publishing. But today I thought I would completely wing it and see how it goes. The last 2 weeks I've been finishing up the bestseller list, which is a book that will be available for pre-order on February 2nd, and it is a book on how to, let's start from the beginning. My family and I relocated from the Virgin Islands. I was a travel writer and a full-time blogger in the Virgin Islands when Hurricane Irma hit and devastated our island. So my family and I moved back to the United States. When my family and I landed here in the US, we moved to the Reno area in Nevada, and I couldn't write Caribbean travel pieces any longer, so I decided to go into publishing and started Daily House Publishing. My first client I had signed in December. He trusted in me, and we did full production on a book. So cover, interior, printing, distribution, and then all of the marketing, as well as diversifying the book. We specialize at Daily House in taking a book and using it to market your business and parlaying it into additional revenue streams. In his case, we created 3 courses from the book, a mini course and 2 full-length courses, and it was a sizable income, so encouraged me to pursue really taking Daily House into the world of a LLC and becoming really a formal publishing company. The next big break was Smith Publicity decided they wanted to feature me and have one of my blogs appear on their website. This immediately generated 2 new full clients. Also, again, full publishing packages along with digital marketing packages. And so again, I was very encouraged. As the year progressed, I was solo, bringing in contractors for services like editing and cover design. Smaller clients were coming in throughout the year, so it was a full-time income for me. And my own book bestseller list, which is about everything I've learned, every aspect of direct publishing and self-publishing, as well as traditional publishing and finding agents and publishing houses to represent you, was compiled into this book. I lived and breathed publishing. Every day, weekends, I was either working for clients or studying up on the publishing business or the marketing of books and using them to grow businesses. The holidays rolled around. My final draft of my book was almost finished, and I decided that I wanted to take it up to the next level, bring in some equity partners and a manager. So I started hiring staff and found some wonderful people to help me out. I'm thrilled to now have a partner who is a editor with 18 years traditional editing experience on board, and the new office manager who is joining us in a couple of weeks. And I am looking forward to, we have 3 new clients signed in January, and it has just been an amazing, amazing ride. The partners of Daily House are all authors in their own right and will be publishing books and courses throughout 2019. So we expect probably 3 releases by our own partners, and we also plan to release the Bestseller Boost course series on do-it-yourself publishing. So that is my journey in a nutshell, and that's what I've been doing. I have taken a little over 2 weeks off to get those contracts in place, finish up the draft of bestseller list. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. I wanted to see how this informal, chatty, conversational style struck you. Also, the new partners will be coming in on video. They will be presenting topics, educational topics, as well as doing interviews, doing some Q&As. Corinne, the editor that is now a partner of Daily House, and I will be doing some counterpoint videos where she discusses her experience with traditional publishing and I discuss my experience with direct publishing and all of that I've learned over the past year. So very excited about that. I hope you enjoy the bestseller list, and I'm sure that was a lot of information, but I hope you liked that. And that is the journey of starting from travel writer, opening a publishing house, and 1 year of progression to the opening of 2019 and the new era of Daily House. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. We're going to be doing 1 or 2 or even 3 videos a week with the new staff. We have the manager, so we're excited about our new content schedule. Expect lots and lots of new things. Subscribe, ring the bell, and you'll get notifications as soon as new videos are available. Happy 2019. I expect big things from you all, and again, welcome to the bestseller list. I'll see you shortly in the next video. Bye.